What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Judge J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good evening to each and every one of y'all. I want to say thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at a car and exotic meet only. So there's pretty much a lot of cars rolling up, I see as well. But without further ado, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, family, whoever y'all want to see more of this kind of content, and help me get up to 600 subscribers. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video, y'all. Here we go. So starting off with the lineup this evening, we got the boy here with the C7 Vet right over here, as we see. It's all good. But this is the guy that actually hosted the event. We also got the Charger that I brought out this time in Johnson Street for the meet. Got the 50 Mustang Coyote I see, and a very beautiful Lexus right here that just casually came in. Got the 50 Mustang, got my boy here. Got the fastest Mustang out here, obviously. And we got the bro here, True Kings, with the SRT8. Nice, man. What's up, man? Yeah. That's my bro here, man. Very nice looking SRT8 though. You don't even see that every day. We also got the Honda rolling up right here. Very cool. Got my boy here with the BMW that's struggling a little bit, trying to get it back and trying to back up, I see. I think he should have it by then. It's kind of tight, but he's definitely gonna make it. So we got the Mustang over here, as we see the Aggressive Motorsports, the guys we see send it last time at this one meet in Congress. We got the Pro Charge Ford Mustang with the gold wheels, got the yellow looking headlights, and then we got the Shelby GT350 right here. That's pretty cool. You don't even get to see that every other day. It's very nice in that red. And then we got my bro here with the RT Challenger 345 Hemi action. We got the Nissan 350Z we seen this morning, I believe this is, with the orange and white and black. And we got the Infinity right here, Outlook we see. So we got the C6 Corvette right over here featuring the Charger Scat Pack. I was about to call it RT. And we got the C8 Corvette in that very nice black we see, y'all. Very nice. So we got a Subaru right here that's casually rolling in. I see some you don't even get to really see every other day in that black color. So here's something that we don't get to see every day, y'all. We got a Mclaren 720S Spider that just casually rolled in this this evening type of meet we had. Very nice seeing that. So we got the Honda Civic right over here, literally. And we got the Chrysler, the SRT8 right here. That's very nice. We also have the Honda Civic right here. Very nice red. Got a very nice BRZ right over here. And the SRT8 and the Kia Stainer way over here, literally. Very nice. We got some very nice cars over here. We got a Lexus right here. A Honda SI, I believe it's called. Got Kia passing up the Kia right here, but we also got my boy J Cal Challenger 345 RT. Got the forged carbon. Very beautiful, y'all. It's got those very nice looking lights. Got a Lexus right here. Love to see that, literally. And of course, we can't go wrong with the Lexus right here. This very nice blue one right here, as we see. And right here, we got the Beamer with no hood game. Got a Mustang right over here. And then we also got the Fox body that's chopping up a Storm. Pretty cool seeing that. And way over here, we got the C8 with the lights. I see the Aggressive Motorsports. And we also have the 50 Mustang right over here. Got a very nice Beamer right here rolling up, we see. Pretty cool seeing that. So we we got the RT right over here with an underglow we see. We got the SRT8 right here, my boy True Kings. We got Cat backing up, I see. Getting away from me, don't want to be recorded. Gotta do it for the YouTube, you know. Got a Honda Civic right here, the SI right here. So we got a very nice Camaro SS right over here, as we see, with a crazy underglow that I've never seen before. We got the C7 Corvette right here. Very nice silver manual transmission. And we got Mrs. Cat struggling, trying to back up, I see. It's a very nice Frostbite blue Charger with the gold wheels and red brakes. So we got the C5 Z06 right here, and that very nice black right over here we see. We got two C5s right over here, as we see. I wonder if this one is a Z06. Nope. It's pretty much a base model one, but the yellow one I've seen is definitely a Z06. Some you don't even get to see every day. I don't think I've ever seen a yellow Z06 like that, C5 Z06. We got the Shelby GT500 right over here that's casually rolling in. That's very nice. Got the Cobra right here. And then we also got this 5.0 Mustang with some skinnies up front. Got the bike. Got a C7 right over here. That's very nice. Wicked C7. It's very beautiful in that black with the yellow brakes. Got a Raptor right over here, that all black one. I've never seen this color, man. Got the C8 right over here, as we see. Very nice seeing that in that red. Got a RT Challenger right over here. I believe this is a little shaker right here, action. Got the BRZ right over here, and we got the fast Camaro SS with like the carbon hood. And then we got the Ford ST right over here. Some you don't even get to see almost every day in that color. It's like a banana color yellow. Got a S650 right here. He's got the Texas 2K plate I see on the window. Some you don't even get to see every day. Got the Fast and Furious Honda right over here. Got two of them all right here. This one got the decal on the side. Got this Camino that's chopping. Camino SS, man. You got a Supra that's just rolling up, I see, casually. You don't even get to see that almost every other day. Pretty crazy in that gray. Got a lineup coming out, I see. Dang, okay. Oh yeah, you can go, man. You clear. this, man. The loudest biker.
The boy just waited there for.
Bro, what is going on?
rich nigga shit, Louis Lopez just to push the rover. I put a drum in the stick, now it's time to slide on whoever be closest. Ay, Gucci Sanders, no Moses. I fuck with Spanish hocus pocus. When it come to pain, who felt the mostest? I soaked up game from the real ones they once called so.